Hello and welcome. Michael here. I am the creator of the Tapping community, an online space where we gather, do EFT and other healing practices to clear anxiety, fear, doubt, especially around the subject of money. However, in this video, I want to do a quick tap with you right now on clearing neck pain. So my neck is feeling a bit stiff at the moment, and I'm sure yours is if you're on this video. So first of all, let's do a test. Let's self-assess our current state of the neck, okay? So the first thing to do is just find yourself in a relatively straight position. And I just want you to do a rotation. So look over one shoulder and notice where you feel the resistance. And then over to the other side. And again, just test one more time over the side. You'll notice one is probably tighter than the other. Good. So you've got a kind of assessment, and then just do this test. So go one side like this, one side like this. Just go easy. We're not really stretching. That's not the goal here. We're just assessing range, state. Good. Good. So give it a number from 1 to 10 after you've done that test. 10 being stiff, painful, the worst, uncomfortable, and 0 being no pain, completely amazing. So mine's pretty bad actually. Mine's like an 8, I'd say, stiff. Just doesn't feel quite right. All right. Okay. So the other thing I want to ask you right now is it a sharp pain? Is it a dull pain? Is it just like itchy? Like, can you describe it? So mine's like crunchy and a little bit sharp. Okay. And final question is, what color would it be if it had a color, the discomfort? Yeah, I'm going to say like a blue. And it's definitely my left side. Okay, good. So we got it. So that's clear. So tap on the side of the hand. Take a deep breath. So repeat these words if it feels okay. Even though I have this stiff neck, and I wish it would go away, and that's okay. I accept how I feel, and I fully and deeply love and accept myself anyway. Even though I've got this stiff neck, and it hurts down the side, I say my left side, and it feels crunchy and tight, and I don't even know why. And that's okay. I accept how I feel. I accept my neck for being what it is. And I fully and deeply love and accept myself anyway. Deep breath. Good. Tap on the inside of the eye. Any side of the face is okay. You can do this or this. My poor stiff neck. On the side. My poor stiff neck. Yeah. How did it get so stiff? I don't know. I wish it would go away. It feels like it's not going to go away. And now I'm stressing out about my neck. Good, tap on the chest. My poor stiff neck. It feels so tight, so crunchy, so resistant, and any other word that you can come up with for you. My poor stiff neck. Up here. So even though I've got this stiff neck, I'm learning that it's okay anyway. Under the eye. I'm allowing my body to relax. Under the nose. I'm allowing my body to heal. On the chin. I'm allowing my neck to find its perfect alignment. And I'm just allowing my neck to heal itself. Because my neck knows how. It knows the perfect position. It knows how to relax. And so I'm giving my neck permission to heal itself. And I'm getting out of the way. Deep breath. Let's tap again. Let's try the other side of the face if you haven't already. My poor stiff neck. How did it get so bad? I'm accepting how I feel. I'm accepting my neck just the way it is. Under the nose. If my neck heals, I'll be happy. And if my neck doesn't heal, I'll be happy too. On the chin. Because I'm learning to let it all go. Letting to go of all the effort, all the struggle, all the strain, all the worry. And I'm choosing to let it all release my body, my mind, and my neck. Any emotions that are stuck in my neck, I'm choosing to let them go now. I fully and deeply choose to release and let it all go right now. Deep breath. It feels good to let it go. And I fully and deeply love and accept myself no matter what. Deep breath. Relax your hand. Just take a moment. Just give yourself a little smile, and even a little smile to your neck. Good. And then when you're ready, it's time to retest. So I'll test. Wow. Quite an improvement. So it's probably, for me, it's like a 3 now, or a 4. So let me know how you went. Please leave it in the comments below what your numbers were, if you got any change, or if you didn't get any change, that's okay too. Always feel free to go back and do some more tapping. Just keep tapping and clearing away those tension points in the body and the mind, and it will start what we call like defrosting, and it will start loosening up. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you want more cool stuff like this, then be sure to subscribe, come over, check out my website, and check out the tapping community as well, and I look forward to seeing you there. Enjoy.